Hello everybody, welcome to this 30-day mood boost challenge for children. The idea of this 30-day challenge is that every day for the next month you try to sit down for at least 10 minutes and listen to this video. You have to try and stay still, relax and concentrate, and listen to the mood boosting exercises and games that we will do together. I hope that at the end of the 30-day challenge you will feel so much better that you will try to listen to videos like this one as often as you can. Before we start, why don't you find somewhere nice and quiet where no one will disturb you and put in some headphones just for the next 10 minutes. Make sure that you're as comfortable as possible. You can even bring your duvet downstairs and lie on the sofa, or you can sit on the floor. It's completely up to you. It's important that during your time out that you place your hands somewhere really comfortable. Try and keep them as relaxed as possible. If you find it hard to stay still and concentrate, don't worry, just do the best that you can. So if you're nice and comfy and ready to begin, I just want you to start by just slowly closing your eyes and taking a nice deep breath in through your nose and then out through your nose again. That's it, you're doing very well. Just taking another nice long deep breath in through your nose. Feel all that nice air going in, and then slowly breathe out again through your nose and feel that air going out nice and softly. Well done. Keep that up. Nice long deep breaths in through our nose. Feel your tummy and your chest filling up with air, and then slowly let the air go out through your nose and feel your tummy and your chest going down. And then just keep doing that again and again and concentrate on the air going in and out. Don't worry if you're finding it hard to concentrate on your breathing. No one expects you to be perfect. When you lose concentration, just go back to focusing on the air going in through your nose and out, and your tummy filling up with air, and then slowly going down as you breathe out. What I want you to do now is the next time you breathe out through your nose, I want you to imagine that you're slowly sinking into the ground and relaxing much more. Feel all the little muscles in your body, in your hands and arms and legs, muscles in your face. Feel all of them just slowly relaxing every time you slowly breathe out. Well done, you're doing such a great job. Keep going. Keep concentrating on your breathing. In through your nose, feel your chest and your stomach opening up. Then when you release the breath, feel your chest and your tummy slowly going down. And one more deep breath, take it in. Very good, and slowly release it out one more time. Each time imagine your whole body relaxing. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is leave you alone to concentrate without my help for about 30 seconds. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just going to play a little game, but just keep your eyes closed and keep your body still. And I just want you to imagine a really fun, happy place that makes you smile every time you think about it. It could be going somewhere with your parents, or a place that you go with your friends that you enjoy. So if you've got that place in your head, I just want you to imagine that you're there now. And I just want you to have a little smile on your face that just reaches your eyes. A little warm smile, and just feel yourself being happy and relaxed. Keep that smile on your face. It'll make you feel much better the longer that you hold it. Deep breaths in through your nose and out through your nose slowly. You should still be imagining that you're at this wonderful place that makes you smile and makes you feel really warm and happy. And keep breathing and feeling your whole body relax every time you breathe out. Well done, you're doing a great job. Just keep focusing on really nice long deep breaths in, and then slowly release the breath out. Keep thinking about that lovely, happy place that you go to that makes you feel calm and relaxed, but also excited and happy too. Now I want you to imagine that you're doing lots of the things that you'd like to do at this very special place. So maybe you're at the beach and your feet are in the water and you can feel the warm sun on your face and the sand in between your toes. Or maybe you're at your favourite place to go shopping and your favourite restaurant's there, and you get to choose all of the best foods to eat. Wherever you are now, imagine that you're doing all of your favourite things and keep that lovely smile on your face. It'll really help to boost your mood and make you feel happy. Keep concentrating on your breathing as well if you can, but the most important thing is that you focus on being at your most special place. And we're going to play one more game now, where you have to try and imagine that someone that you really miss is there with you. It could be a teacher that you really love, or an uncle, or a nanny, or if you prefer, it could be somebody who maybe you see quite often that you love to give cuddles to. Now imagine that you see each other and you give each other the biggest, warmest hug ever. And you hold really tightly onto them. You can feel their warmth and their love. And just keep cuddling them. And as you hug them, keep that big smile on your face. Really feel them there in your special place. You're doing such an amazing job to concentrate for this long. Well done. We're just coming up to the last minute and we're going to do a little counting exercise before we open our eyes. So when I count 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to breathe in, and then when I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you're going to slowly breathe out. Okay, so if you're ready, we're going to breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, and then breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this time when I say the number 6, you're going to slowly open your eyes. Okay, are you ready? So breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, and then breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. You completed 10 minutes of the Mood Boost Challenge today. You can put a little tick in a calendar to say that you've done one day, and then next day you can do the same thing until you've got all 30 days completed. Whatever you feel at the moment, don't worry. If you feel a little bit sad, that's fine. If you feel happy, that's wonderful too. Every time that you do this video, you will feel slightly different at the end of it, and that's okay. Don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to our channel if you really like our videos. And I hope to see you tomorrow for the next day of your challenge.